Hey guys, Adam and Alex here. Yeah, really excited to be taking you behind the scenes today as we start to send out some of these V3 units to you all. Going through various delays because of design changes and the war in the Middle East and all these other different things. But really excited now to finally be picking up some momentum as we get these units out to you.
Thanks very much. 2 years ago, this was but a dream, but this is a beautiful device, and we've got production running really smoothly now, so it's not far away. So the last stop, which is getting the Aromasphere in the box and shipping them out to our customers.
So after the calibration and quality testing are done, this is the really satisfying bit where we can actually get the units into boxes. So we just put the cover over the top, really simply just slips over the top and locks in. Put the mixing chamber on and they just go into the box.
A little bit of tissue paper to protect for shipping. What you'll find in each box is the quick start guide, our therapeutic TGA approval of our oils, and of course a 12-month warranty card. That all goes in the Aromasphere box, and separately when you pull out the shipper you'll see your essential oils also as part of the order. So these ones are on their way to customers.
Yeah, we're really excited to finally be ramping back up in shipping these units out. So again, we're really appreciative for everyone who's had to wait a little bit longer. But yeah, it won't be long now before we're getting all these units out.
Thank you.